Maybe you're like me and you have no place to put your phone or your tablet on your bike. I think I've got a good solution for that. Here's an exploded view of the build. You have the one main pipe, which is 15 inches long, and then I have two 5-inch long pieces of pipe. You could easily make this 4.5 inches long on the sides, and then you'd have a total of 24 inches of the 1-inch pipe. Then you need just 4 right angle connectors. On the bottom here, I've taken some schedule 20 1-inch pipe, cut it in half, and I just slide that in there like this. You could always use a cloth tape like a hockey tape and just build it up either around here or on the side. Just to give you a little better friction. You may be able to get away without doing it depending on your bike. You could also do these with regular plumbing PVC, the white stuff, but I kind of like the contrast between the gray and the white in this build. And then you just push it all together. Until you get something that looks like this. I'll post all the parts below and maybe a couple tools that might be helpful. You could cut this pipe with a hacksaw or you can use a pipe cutter. I'll provide you both. Now for the phone, I kind of like this guy right here. Slide it in like that. Hit this little switch right here and you've locked the phone down. Shift that around a whole bunch of different ways. This one comes with a shorter tightener, but you'll need the bigger tightener for the 1-inch pipe. And then for the tablet, I kind of like this one right here with the cover on. It holds it fairly well, and then this is where you can connect. You can have it off to the side like this. It pivots nice, it moves in a whole bunch of different directions. I really like that feature. You can just slide it along and center it. And then you just add the phone in here. Now you can see this has got a great little feature, has a gap. Tighten it up. The installation of this is pretty easy. The more I think about it, especially if you got something heavy on here, the tablet and the phone, you should probably glue this all up. These are a little around 1 inch thick and they work pretty well inside of a 1-inch connector. Now I do have these loose just because it helps me kind of zero them in. Push it on there and you can see where I've done it before. It comes in all the way to the fixture where the hole is. Make sure it's a nice solid fit and then you bring in your phone. By the way, if you're interested in this leash, that's another video I'll post up there when it's ready for security or so you don't lose things. Tablet goes in here like this. You can adjust it any way you want. You could turn the tablet this way if you wanted. And it just will help you stay connected during your bike ride. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in sports gear, designs of sports gear, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna see.